Hello all car lovers, today I want to introduce you to a true masterpiece of urban mobility, 2026 Nissan Micra EV. This compact electric car is designed for those who value style, environmental friendliness and modern technology. The Micra EV amazes with its futuristic design, smooth body lines, LED optics and aerodynamic appearance make it recognizable in traffic. And thanks to its compact size, it is ideal for city streets and parking lots. Under the hood is a powerful electric motor that provides instant response and dynamic driving. The range on a single charge reaches 400 kilometers, which makes the Micra EV not only a practical, but also a confident companion in everyday trips. Recharging from a household network or public stations takes minimal time, especially with support for fast charging technology. The interior of the Micra EV is the embodiment of comfort and technology. The digital instrument panel, huge touchscreen display of the multimedia system and advanced driver assistance systems create a feeling of complete control over the road. And high-quality finishing materials make every trip pleasant and comfortable. The Nissan Micra EV 2026 is not just a car, it is a step into a future where sustainability is combined with innovation. If you liked the review, like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos. See you later.